Hello viewers, today we want to look at a very exciting thing. You know why? Why are, anytime you see this kind of thing, why are they always raised to power? Sometimes you see -2, -3, -1, -2. How are they called? They are called polyatomic ions. What do you understand by polyatomic ions? Atomic ions, they are a group of atoms bounded together that act like one ion with a net charge. Now, why is this one? Why don't you say 2 plus, 2 minus, or 2 plus, or 2 plus? Why don't you write it like this? Instead it is written like this. Let me give you a simple secret. If you look at hydrogen and oxygen, how many valence electron? Has what? 6 valence electron, and every element is trying to be like a noble gas that has what? That have 8 complete valence electron. So now oxygen here has 1 2 3 4 5 6, left with what? Left with 2 to complete. Hydrogen has what? Only 1 valence electron, so it left with what? 1 to complete. Therefore, since it is left with 1, if you now carry one that is left will now carry this minus here, means that they need only 1 to complete. So if you give her this 1 now, will now form what we call like this. So the molecule will now be what? Will now be like this. Have you seen? So 2 of them now are now what? Balance. That is why, since this one need 1, this one need 1, so this one need 2. They will now carry this one and bound together to form what? That is why it is written as this. Do you understand? Let's proceed to the next one. Sulfur, we have sulfur and what? And have sulfur and what? 4 atoms of what? Of oxygen with what? 2 minus. These 2 minus, what happened? Let's look at the structure of, it's like this: S O O O and what? O. This is how it is. Remember, sulfur has 6 valence electron, oxygen has 6 valence electron. Now we are going to express them all. Oxygen here are 1 2 3 4 5 6, left with 2 to complete. 1 2 3 4 5 6, left with 2 to complete. 1 2 3 4 5 6, left with 2 to complete. 1 2 3 4 5 6, left with 2 to complete. Sulfur on the other hand, 1 2 1 2. Sulfur on the other hand has 6 valence electrons. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many are now left? They are now left with 2. You get that? Now you can see that the 2 of this sulfur has now paired with this oxygen. It means that this one, 2 of them are now balanced. The 2 of this one, oxygen here needs 1. So if we give out this one, it means that it's now balanced. This one is now what? Balanced. This one is now what? Balanced. So it just left with what? 2 to complete here, so that when they put 2 here, they can also what? Be balanced. So this, since they need only 2 here, that is why you see the -2. This -2 electron means that you are adding 2 to this one to be what? To be balanced. That is why you see these are polyatomic ion written as SO4 raised to power 2 minus. Do you understand? Now I will do this one, you now do the rest for me. If you look at nitrogen here, we have nitrogen NO3 minus. Why is it written 1 minus instead of 2 minus or 3 minus? Why is it written like that? Now if you look at nitrogen, has 5 valence electron in its atomic shell. Are you following? What we mean by the first shell is this is a K shell, carry 2 1 2. The next one is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. Look at 1 2 3 4 5, has 5. How many is left to complete? Is now left with what? 3 to complete. 1 2 3 to complete. Do you understand? So we now have nitrogen in this case has what? Our oxygen atom are what? 3. So we'll now say oxygen, and what? Oxygen. I have told you that oxygen has 6 valence electrons, so we are going to write 1 2 3 4 5 6, left with 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6, left with 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6, left with 2. Nitrogen on the other hand has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many does it need? This one is already paired, complete 2. This one is already paired, complete 2. This one is only 1. So it need what? 1 electron to complete. So that 1 electron that is minus, you carry it and complete. Because it needs 1 now, that is why it is written as what? Minus. Do you understand? Very simple. Now let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. Then you do this one for me. Phosphorus is also in the same group with what? With nitrogen. Phosphorus has with what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you following? Is a central atom. Now oxygen here has 4 atoms. Okay, so now when I'm going to look one oxygen, I've told you that has 6 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Oxygen here need what? Need 2, 2, 2, 2. Phosphorus has what? 5 valence electrons. So we take 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Do you get that? That is 5 valence electrons. So here has already been taken care of. Here has been taken care of. Here you need how many to complete? 1. You get that? Need 1, yeah, that is minus 1. Here you need how many? 2 to complete. So total electron that is needed is what? 3. 3 minus. So 1, 2, 3 it needs, so that all of them can now be what? Complete. That is why they see this polyatomic ion written like this. Understand what I've just done here? Write this one and drop it on the comment section. For more of this video, please do well to like, share, and comment.